It's project time! Today we have a wonderful project.
Woo!
It's a science project. Let's make a volcano. You can do it with me too. Things we need. First, soil or mud or sand. A glass, a bucket, dishwashing liquid, vinegar, paint or food coloring, and baking soda. Let's do it! First, we add some soil to our bucket. Next, you have to turn over your bucket. I put my glass inside my mountain. Now we should add baking soda. I use a spoon to add baking soda to my glass. I think that's enough. Maybe a little more. Okay. Next, we need dishwashing liquid. Let's add some to my mixture. Okay. I'm not sure that's enough or not. And food coloring. Let's mix it. Okay. It's fun to make a volcano. And get ready for the last ingredient. Vinegar. Are you ready? Let's see how it works. Wow! A little more. The volcano is erupting. Look! It's a volcano! And lava is coming out of it. I love this experiment.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.